Welcome to the 60-second updates with the Royal Air Force from 617 Squadron, embarked on HMS Prince of Wales. 617 Squadron personnel have been working with HMS Prince of Wales aircraft handlers to launch F-35B Lightning jets in order to participate in Exercise Joint Warrior. Joint Warrior is a UK-led exercise where all three services, NATO and partner nations train together to hone their skills. A Typhoon from one fighter squadron has practiced firing a Meteor missile at a Banshee 80 aerial target alongside French Rafale jets as part of Exercise Meteor Flash. Constantly refining our pilots and technicians' skills means we're always ready to fly and fight. Specialist drivers from 2 MT Squadron have travelled over 3,700 miles in 17 days in preparation for supporting RAF Typhoons on Operation Biloxi, NATO's upcoming enhanced air policing mission in Romania. Reserve chefs have cooked for His Royal Highness the Duke of Gloucester at RAF Cranwell to mark the start of the centenary of the Royal Auxiliary Air Force. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.